Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a brand new video. So today I have a very exciting Temu blind, or I don't know if it's a blind box, but it is a mystery box. So I have absolutely no idea what is in these two boxes. So I have one small one right here, and then I have a bigger one. Let me make sure I'm not showing you my address. Okay. It is so big. I am so excited. Thank you so much to Temu for partnering up with me in today's video and showing you guys what is in these mystery boxes. So with that said, if you enjoy these mystery boxes, definitely let me know and I can film another one. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like these. And yeah, I think that is everything for today's intro. You already know. Grab your cafecito, clink, cheers, and enjoy. And let's jump right into today's Temu mystery unboxing. Let's see what we got. I switched cameras because my vlogging camera died. It always dies on me because I never charge it. So let's take a little sip of our coffee before we unbox everything. I love making homemade coffee. Okay, so we're gonna open the smaller box first because I don't know. Great things come in small packages. Am I right? No? Okay. All right. Let's see what we have here. What the heck is this? This is what it looks like. Let me see. It comes in a vacuum sealed bag. That was not me, you guys. That was this, whatever this was. Cleo turned around and looked at me like, Mom, what the heck is this? It's like a little plushie? Cleo, what is this? Is this a toy? I don't think this is for you, honey. Look at that. That is cute. It looks like it's a little plush toy. I'm trying to see if it's maybe squeaks. Cleo's way too excited already about it, but I don't see any squeaker or feel it either. So yeah, that's pretty cute. My daughter, I think she'll probably like this. Do you like this? Yeah, that's cute. Okay, let's move on to the next products. Ooh, so OneStep hair dryer and styler. So this is what it looks like. Pretty cool. Oh my gosh, this is just like the Revlon hair dryer that I use. It is exactly like it. So that's pretty cool. It's the exact same color, pink, black. It has the same bristles. I love and use mine every single day. Well, not every single day, but I use it a lot. Quality feels a little like, not cheaper, but it just feels more lightweight than my Revlon. But I mean, I thought that was pretty cool. Okay, so far we are liking this. Curious to see what's going to be in here. This one is completely blank, so let's see. I am excited and looking forward to this big box over here because so far I already have some pretty cool stuff. Okay, I see 2 pieces of boards. I think these are meant to be like either floating shelves or something like that. If I find out what it is, I will insert it in the video, adding some notes somewhere here. My mic stopped working at this moment, but I pretty much unboxed the big box, and this is the first thing that I pulled out, which is a gigantic purse. So again, this is the bag, and it comes with the straps, and then it comes with a little baggie. And these are the buttons that you use to clip in these straps. So let's go ahead and do that. This is actually like the perfect time because summer is right around the corner. Hello, beach time. So there it is. There is the first button. And let me go ahead and do the same. Okay, there we go. Okay, and here is the tote bag. This is actually really cool, right? Did I do it right? Yeah. Wow, okay, so far I love it. So my mic went out again, and I figured I would show you guys what else I got. So this is a remote control holder, which I thought was pretty cute. They have different colors, and I got the strawberry one. I also got this portable juicing cup, which works extremely well. It has great reviews, and it is very powerful. It easily unscrews, and you're good to go on the go. I also got this really cute jelly purse. They also have two other colors. This one is a cream, and it's so beautiful. I love the graffiti style, and it's the perfect size for like every day for $7. You cannot go wrong. And then I also got these little live pods, is what they're called. I thought it was going to be black, but they're white, and they actually paired really nice with my phone. So I thought that was really cool. They fit comfortably in the ears, and for the price, you definitely cannot go wrong. I was very surprised with this. The Selfie stick tripod for $7.98. I am obsessed with this. If you're a content creator, this is a great product to have. As you can see, you can just pull out these little tabs, insert your phone. It goes up pretty high to take selfies or use it as a tripod. It comes with a little switch to take pictures, and then again, turns into a tripod. You can even remove the remote, which I thought was pretty cool. And then the last thing is a 24-piece, I think, makeup or brush set for $10.79. The bristles are really nice and affordable for the price. Let's see what we have here. Pretty much everything else comes in these little baggies. Oh my gosh, a huge water bottle. Lani says she's been wanting one of these, so I'm gonna let her have this one because I have mine. And I love mine. Wow, look at this, you guys. It is so pretty, huh? And this is Lani's favorite color, purple. It's like a gradient purple to turquoise color. And it comes with a little handle, which is perfect if you gym or if you just want to up your water intake. This is perfect. Oh, and it comes with a little straw, which is really nice. And then it has 7 a.m. rise and shine, 9 a.m. let's get started, 11 a.m. remember your goal, 1 p.m. keep it up, 3 p.m. halfway there, 5 p.m. you can do this, 7 p.m. don't quit now, and 9 p.m. all in a day's work. That is so cute, and it holds up to 200 ml of water, so it's a great way to keep yourself inspired, or I don't know what the word is, to drink water if you're wanting to make that a goal. Wow, that is so cute, and the quality feels really nice. I love that it has a matte finish. Okay, let's open up the next item. Oh my gosh, that is so funny. I literally just worked with a brand using a mini little massage gun, and I just got another one. So this is what it looks like in the box. And this is what it looks like. It comes with this shaped head. So you use it, you hold it, and you just give yourself a massage, which I actually need one really bad. It comes with a U-shaped head. This little, it looks like a round ball. This one is meant to be used over clothing and all over your body, specifically in the areas where you have bone. This one is a bullet shaped, and this one is meant to be used in targeted spaces, so like right here at the base of the neck, oh my gosh, which I am so sore, or on your shoulders, just anywhere where you want specific work. It also comes with a charger, so you can charge it. This one looks like it's some sort of sweater or something. It looks super cushiony. It is a hoodie. This looks to be, oh, that is so cute. Okay, so this is actually a set. I'm not sure what size this is. This looks like it could be like a small or a medium. So it's just a plain white hoodie, and it has pockets on the front, and then it also comes with the matching pants. That is so adorable. Oh my gosh. The next item feels super heavy, so I'm gonna need both of my hands to pick this up. We have one last product, and I can already see that it's some sort of kitchen gadget. So let's see. Oh my gosh. Okay. Funny story. So this is a Silicone Kitchen Set. I bought me one from Amazon maybe over a month ago that I had been eyeing for months, okay? Months and months and months. And I didn't buy it because it was like $30 for the set. And I mainly want it for like decor purposes for my kitchen. I finally bought it, and now this is exactly the same thing. Like, look at this. This is actually really cute. It says kitchen and dining cooking utensil sets, and it comes with a bunch of them, exactly the same size, quality. I think the handles on these are a little lighter than the ones that I bought, but mine didn't even come with the tongs. Oh, it didn't come with these, which I love to use these. And then it also comes with this little little spreader where you can spread like the oil or sauces or things like that. So, oh my goodness. I wish I would have waited a little bit longer, but I am impatient. So I wish I would have waited a little bit longer, but I am impatient. So guys, you can shop my selected items in the description box below, and you can save up to 30% off with my unique code. So make sure that you download the Temu app for more perks and a smoother shopping experience. There it is, you guys. Oh my goodness, this was so much fun. But what did you guys think? What was your favorite item? Let me know in the comment section down below. I am very much looking forward to using this one. This right here was my absolute favorite, if you ask me. So that is it from you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check out Temu. Everything will be linked in the description down below. You can also use my discount code so you can save even more money. So with that said, thank you so much for being here. I love you. Stay safe. And until next time, I'll see you guys in my next video.